Hello everyone, welcome to the channel once again. I'm continuing with the MS Word series, and in this video we'll learn how we can create our own shortcuts in MS Word. Now suppose there is a document in which introvert reflection I need to write multiple times. So I want to create a shortcut so that every time I need not to write introvert reflection and I write that shortcut and this is automatically written. So how we can do it? You can go to the file and then more and then options. In the options you can go to proofing and you can go to auto correction options, and here you can write your shortcuts also. Suppose I want to create a shortcut like I write IR and it will write introvert reflection. Then I'll add and then I'll press OK and then OK. Now if I'm writing something, suppose I'm writing something and then I need to write introvert reflection, I will just write IR and then I'll close the bracket. Introvert reflection will be repeated. Similar to that, suppose I need to write Supreme Court of India. Now if I'm writing Supreme Court of India, so it will take some time, so I can create a shortcut of it. How can I do it? I can go to files, more options, proofing, auto correction, and then I can, suppose I write SC and then it will write Supreme Court of India. I can add and then OK and then OK. Now every time I need to write Supreme Court of India, I can just write SC and Supreme Court of India will be written. You see, Supreme Court of India is written. And then you can write again and then you can write SC and then again Supreme Court of India. So in this way you can create your own shortcuts in MS Word. Thank you so much for watching, and please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.